What first comes to mind when you think about protecting your sensitive data and documents? One obvious solution would be hiring a ninja to fight off viruses and hacker attacks in a gracious yet deadly manner. Of course, this approach requires a lot of time and financial investments. That's why, all jokes aside, we've compiled a list of the most effective security measures you can take to ensure the safety of your documents and data. Measure number 1. Use data encryption. Encryption acts as a shield against cyber attacks, so stored and transmitted data can't easily be intercepted or decrypted by hackers. Additionally, it's important to make sure that your storage facilities are only accessible by authorized personnel. This way, your sensitive documents don't fall into the wrong hands. Audit Trails add another layer of protection to your documents and eSignatures. They create and maintain a detailed document history of all document activities and who performed them. This includes full names, email, and IP addresses, and timestamps. Detailed audit trails help reduce the risk of fraudulent activities and keep your data protected. Disaster recovery is always an important security measure. Critical business operations need to continue after any loss or damage to hardware or software. Disaster recovery plans include procedures to preserve documents and document security. Finally, signer authentication is a critical security measure. The document creator can add an extra layer of protection by requiring a signer to enter a password or authenticate their identity by a text message or phone call. With these measures in place, signed documents will always stay protected from cyber attacks and fraud. Wondering how you can get data encryption, audit trails, disaster recovery, and two-factor signer authentication all in one place? Try SignNow, an electronic signature solution that enables even the least tech-savvy users to manage and e-sign their documents online while retaining full control over their processes and data. Find out more at signnow.com.